Have you ever studied 4 hours, felt confident, and then a few days later struggled to recall the information? It is a frustrating experience many of us share, feeling like our hard work just disappears. But what if there was a way to make your study time stick, so information truly stays with you, not just for the next test, but for the long run? Spaced repetition is a powerful learning technique that significantly improves memory retention by scheduling reviews of learned material at increasing intervals. It is not about cramming. It is about smart, efficient revisiting of information right when your brain is about to forget it. This method turns fleeting knowledge into lasting understanding. The core reason this works so well lies in how our brains naturally process and forget information, often illustrated by the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. This curve shows that without review, we rapidly forget newly learned material, with much of it gone within a day. Spaced repetition directly counteracts this natural decay. By timing your review strategically, you intercept the forgetting curve just before the information fades, forcing your brain to retrieve it. Each successful retrieval strengthens the memory trace, making it more robust and less likely to be forgotten the next time around. Essentially, you are leveraging your brain's natural learning mechanisms. When you recall information, you are not just accessing it, you are actively consolidating that memory. This means the neural pathways associated with that knowledge become stronger and more efficient. It is like exercising a muscle. The more you work it out correctly, the stronger it becomes. The brain is prompted to move information from short-term working memory into long-term storage, making it much more accessible when you need it later. To put this into practice, you can use simple tools like flashcards or digital applications designed for spaced repetition. After initially learning a concept, you would review it a day later, then 3 days later, then a week, 2 weeks, and so on. The key is that the time between reviews gradually lengthens. Many modern apps automatically calculate these optimal intervals for you. This systematic re-exposure at widening intervals tricks your brain into thinking the information is highly important, thus committing it to long-term memory more effectively. This technique also promotes what is called the testing effect, where the act of retrieving information itself enhances future retention. Embracing spaced repetition means transforming your study approach from a battle against forgetting into a partnership with your brain's natural memory processes. By consistently revisiting material at just the right moments, you ensure that effort invested today translates into solid, reliable knowledge tomorrow. This leads to reduced stress during exam periods, deeper understanding, and a more durable foundation for all your learning endeavors, making your educational journey much more rewarding.